Hey Jesse, Kite here. I just want to make you this little video talking about our call and basically how Foveate and Invisible North could work together. So I'll give you a quick little overview about Foveate and myself. So just for the other folks on the receiving end here, I'm an ex-architect by training, mostly working in the experience design space and the fine art world. So dealing with really high net worth individuals, selling them immersive experiences. Basically, cut my teeth there. And during the pandemic, realized that it's really hard to do this, and we should come up with a better way that can really translate what we're doing in a way that slide decks like Google Slides, Keynote, what have you, just can't. And this has kind of been working in tandem with all the innovations in AI through imagery, video, text, and basically, why can't we generate a presentation that is high converting, hyper personalized to a client's in a platform that has all the features that the design industry really needs to communicate things like space and mood and feeling. And then all rolled into one platform that's collaborative, easily usable by everybody, and connects biz dev teams to creative teams. So this way, folks like Jesse, who are more the biz dev side, doesn't have to bother the creative team necessarily to make a pitch that's hyper personalized to a client, but also using all of Invisible North's great assets. So we have particular tracks for different industries. Experience design is kind of the one that you guys would fall into more closely. But yeah, basically everything in here is just about how Foveate is really designed to help smaller teams, especially compete with massive firms like Journey. People who have 10 times the resources, um, and basically help create really tailored presentations that are trackable, that are easy for clients to use, work everywhere on every device, and immersive. So I'll just show you an example here. I think Jesse mentioned that you guys are looking to expand more into the B2B space and that you typically have done lots of B2C projects. So we'll give you an example here that, oh, this is pretty good. This is from Adam Carnes and Alienware. So basically, this is what a Foveate presentation looks like. It's just on a link. You can invite team members to this thing, but it's all just one interactive sort of endless web page that has all your text and media and stuff built in. So you can have things like maps in here, 3D walkthroughs of projects. So this is Lightroom in London. Really awesome video support. So, with the Google Slides, for example, getting a video into there is terrible and then it looks like crap. So, really making it easy for folks who have lots of media like you guys to be able to use those in the client presentation super easily and lots of easy AI features. So, this is how the client personalization works. Basically, you can input information about a client in the client profiler, and then any text that you write in Foveate can be personalized exactly to that person based upon all the information that you have ascertained about them through different conversations, through their LinkedIn, through different things that they've written, things that they've posted. So here's Adam's. So you can tell um, Adam, for example, is probably not super detail oriented. He's very open. His tolerance for risk is very high. His decision speed might be a little bit on the lower end, but he's a creative director. So the Foveate AI will be able to tell you, all these things about him, what makes him tick, and basically the best way that it thinks that you should work with him. So now when we're creating our presentations, all this information here can be tailored to Adam. And then all of our renders and imagery, for example, can be used as well. We've built in AI editing in here for images. So I've gone ahead and taken this image from a project that Adam worked on previously with Alienware and then showed different versions using AI that have different colorways, right? So this could be a very simple and easy way for you to be able to take some of your content that you've already produced and then basically just change it up tailored to that client in different colorways that they like or logos that they need in there, stuff like that. And then it has all the kind of more nitty gritty stuff like timelines and deliverables and different pricing tiers and an easy way for you to just share it with a client and then have things like password protection, expiration dates, all these sorts of things that really folks on the biz dev side need. So yeah, this is all collaborative. So the creative directors and the business dev team can all work together in this platform. But yeah, you can also record yourself here if you want to make it more personalized. Say the client's name, give them a short overview of what this proposal is about. And then there's a whole bunch of other features in here that I don't want to take too much time, but things like 3D walkthroughs, whether it's 360 tours, CAD models, stuff like that. Um, yeah, but if this is of interest, we're having a co-development partnership that we're running right now. We're basically just looking for 2 to 3 more firms to join our current cohort and helping us hone some elements of this project or of this product. And I think the presentations, it sounds like, will be the most interesting to you guys. But yeah, right now it's all closed access. We're just working with these partners, and then later on we'll open it up into probably a private beta, and that'll be a paid thing, and then to the general public. But yeah, that's a very super short summary of Foveate, and let me know what you think.